we are making pasta. So the first step is to put the water in the pot, obviously. So that's the water. I used an old bottle thing for it. And don't forget to salt the water. That should be good. Now, I'm gonna put the pasta in. We're gonna let that cook now. Okay, so pasta is all cooked now, and we're just gonna put that to the side. Hold on. And now the first thing we're gonna do is we have plum tomatoes, not chopped. I don't have any chopped. I didn't even check the date on these. Okay, they're good. Alright. And let's move this over here so you can see what I'm doing. Kind of barely. Basically, pour them in. And because you can't actually see what I'm doing, I'm gonna lift you up. Alright, you can see all we do is squish. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Alright, now we are squishing. Okay, so that's now all squished. Let me wash my hand. Okay, so now that is done, we're gonna switch it on. Like so. Some of that. Let me get some pepper because I forgot the pepper. Okay, so audio is going to be really bad again, but basically I have made the sauce. I added in crushed chilies, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion granules, some tomato puree, grated hard cheese, pepper, salt, and the last of my Italian seasoning. And now I heat. Okay, so now we're gonna clear all this up very quickly. we have pasta. And I have just dumped all that pasta in, and now I'm mixing it. And we're gonna add a little secret touch because I need to use it up anyways. Pesto! Add some of the juices in. Use the fork. And now, just serve it up. You can not see me serving it up, but it's okay. But and now, last addition to this. Cheese! And some more cheese! Some more cheese! Okay. This is going to be a short video, isn't it? Oh well. But yeah, I shall go sit on my bed and try, and I tell you how it is. So I have it here. Let's try a bit. That's good. Yeah, I like it. It was just something quick I could throw together and still make a video about. So, yeah. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.